How to reactivate a deactivated Uber account. Now, if you just recently deactivated your Uber account, recently means that you just deactivated it around a week or two, then you can still reactivate it. So take note that you can only reactivate your Uber account if it is not past the 30 days period. So if you're in on that specific span of days, then you can just reactivate it without any problems. So just go ahead and visit the Uber.com's official website, and before you log into your account, you just gotta go ahead and scroll all the way down from their official site, and then head directly to Visit Help Center. Now this is gonna be the Help Center interface. Then just choose on riders, and then in here you just have to fill out necessary forms like your driver details, the car that you have registered in Uber app, and then just forward this notification directly to the customer support. And that's how you reactivate a deactivated Uber account.